Weather now with Helen Willetts. And Helen, it's been really rather nice. Is it going to go on?
Yeah, I think for the weekend it should do for most of us, Reach. It's like two seasons in one day, though, today and yesterday. Spring equinox, of course, today, because we started the day with frost on my car, certainly -3 up in the northeast of Scotland. I just want to show you this because actually at Fyvie Castle we've had Scotland's warmest day of the year so far, but leaping from -3 to 20 degrees. It wasn't like that for all. We've had some stubborn low cloud across parts of eastern England, just 7 or 8 degrees here. But for most of us, we've had the sunshine, which means the clear skies again overnight tonight, and temperatures will drop like a stone. Mist and fog will return. The big difference is more cloud into the north and west of Scotland, some patchy rain, so the frost is more limited here. But we will see some patchy mist and fog once again. Central and eastern parts of Scotland, across Northern Ireland, England and Wales, which will take a wee while to clear away. But once it does sign, plenty of strong March sunshine once again tomorrow. Slightly cooler with the patchy rain across the north and west of Scotland, perhaps pushing some of that cloud into central parts as well. So temperatures more like 9 or 10 compared with what we've seen today. Temperatures just a degree or so down elsewhere, and quite a keen breeze also running through the English Channel. But I'm picking at hairs here because it should be a nice day for most. Then as we go through tomorrow night, that weather front just gets it acting together a little bit more across Scotland and Northern Ireland. So again, more limited frost here. It's colder further south, mist and fog once again with the lighter winds. But with our weather front, some fairly brisk winds blowing out of the way from Scotland and Northern Ireland Sunday afternoons. The brighter skies, but chillier. Some wintry showers around. Further south, still mild for the time of year, just a bit more cloud around after the mist and fog has cleared away. So mostly fine and dry through the weekend, but it's all changed next week. Behind this weather front, quite an active one on Tuesday, bringing wet and windy weather. We're going to get some much colder air in the way. So as you can see, some fine weather, Rita, for the next few days, but much more unsettled into the middle part of next week.
Thank you very much, Helen.
Hello. It's felt like two seasons in one day for some this week. The warm, sunny afternoons, the cold and frosty and even foggy mornings. This was the temperature difference in the northeast of Scotland during the day on Friday, from -3 to 20 degrees, and we'll see similar swings in temperatures for the day ahead. We start on a cold and a frosty note, particularly in southern eastern areas, Northern Ireland, southern Scotland. A little bit more cloud on a weather front that's going to be plaguing northern and western Scotland and sink its way into central Scotland as well at times. There will be some mist and fog around first thing as well, which will take a few hours to clear away. And that could be just about anywhere where we've had the clear skies. But once it does, we should have a little less high cloud than we had on Friday. And so it should be brighter sunshine. Again, the mid-teens for many, feeling pleasantly warm away from the north and west where we have that cloud. Bit of a breeze here, bit of a breeze coming in off the North Sea, and we might have some low cloud around the Irish Sea. But the big change overnight is this next weather front bringing some patchy rain across Scotland and Northern Ireland. So limiting the frost levels here, but again, a chilly night further south and east. Some pockets of mist and fog again to watch out for the first part of the day on Sunday. And there will be rather more cloud for England and Wales, just pockets of rain and drizzle, really no more, but just a different feeling day. Still warm in the sunshine that we keep in the south and east, and some sunshine materialises further north and west, but it will be a chillier feel. All change next week.
Now tonight to a look at the weather prospects. Helen Willetts has joined me. Hi, Helen.
Hi, Jane. Not record-breaking weather, but really interesting. Those chilly mornings, really warm afternoons. It's the equinox, of course, as well today. So from tomorrow, we'll have slightly longer days. -3, though, last night in parts of Scotland, the northeast. Then 20 degrees today. That's a 23-degree gap. That's a huge rise through the day because the March sunshine is really getting stronger now. And overnight, temperatures are plummeting already. We've got mist and fog forming, so that's something to watch out for again. And we've got more cloud on a weather front in the north. So the frost's a little bit more limited in the north and the west, but again, a cold night and a chilly start to our Saturday morning. Might be a little bit of frost on the cars, certainly a little bit of mist and fog around to watch out for the first few hours in the morning. And there's an increasing chance that we'll see some fog developing around the Irish Sea coasts of Northern Ireland, Scotland, England and Wales through the day tomorrow, as our weather front as well introduces moister air, a few spots of rain across northern and central Scotland. But for most, once the mist and fog clears away, temperatures will rise rapidly again into the mid-teens for many of us. You can see it's not quite as warm in the northeast of Scotland, and under the cloud, it will feel cooler. We've got a bit of a breeze off the North Sea in the south, but the breeze really does pick up then through tomorrow night as that weather front makes its presence felt more across Scotland, Northern Ireland, limiting the frost here. But again, a chilly night further south, and the fog on Sunday morning could really be quite stubborn across southern and eastern parts of the UK to clear away. And we do have more cloud dribbling its way southwards. Behind it, clearer skies, but much colder, almost gale force winds blowing in across Scotland with some wintry showers over the hills. But for many of us, it remains mild through the weekend, but it's all changed next week. A deep area of low pressure comes in Tuesday, and behind that, well, look at this, a flood of much colder air is heading our way again. So some fine and dry weather for most of us this weekend. Remember, more cloud on Sunday, some stubborn fog in places, some chilly nights, but some warm days. But it is all changed next week. Jane.
All right, Helen.